Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today we're going to talk about if your iPhone 17 does support the dual SIM. So actually, this is quite common to ask this question, and yes, your iPhone 17 does support the dual SIM. Of course, it depends on the region how do you use that, but for example in Europe, you can use two eSIMs or one eSIM, one nano SIM. If you are in the USA, you can use two eSIMs at once only, and if you are in the, for example, China mainland or Macau or Hong Kong, you do have only two nano SIMs at once. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like on this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.